When we look up at the sky, everything seems calm and still. For thousands of years, humans believed the Earth was the center of the universe and did not move. People thought the sun revolved around a fixed, stationary Earth. This belief remained until the discoveries of Copernicus, Kepler, and Galileo. They proved that the Earth moves around the sun, not the other way around. This was a turning point in science. However, even then, it was still believed that the sun was stationary. Only in the last century did scientists discover that the sun itself is moving, along with the entire solar system. The sun travels at a staggering speed of around 720,000 kilometers per hour, heading towards a point in space called the solar apex, near the star Vega. This fact, which modern science uncovered just recently, was revealed in the Qur'an more than 1,400 years ago. And the sun runs on its fixed course for a term appointed. That is the decree of the Almighty, the All-Knowing. Surah Ya-Sin 36:38. At a time when people thought the sun was fixed, the Qur'an clearly said it was moving on its course, long before the invention of telescopes or modern astronomy. The Qur'an also says, "It is not for the sun to overtake the moon, nor does the night outstrip the day. Each is floating in an orbit." Surah Ya-Sin 36:40. Today, science confirms that every celestial body in the universe, including the sun, the moon, planets, and stars, moves in a specific orbit. This precise harmony in the universe was described in the Qur'an centuries before we had the technology to observe it. Another verse further emphasizes the complexity of the cosmos, Lord of the heavens and the earth, and whatever is between them, and Lord of the sunrises. Surah As-Safat 37:5. The Quran uses the plural term sunrises to describe the sun's rising points. This aligns perfectly with the scientific understanding that due to Earth's rotation and its spherical shape, the sun rises at different places at different times. Each location on Earth experiences a unique sunrise and sunset, something unknown 1,400 years ago. So we must ask, how could a man, unlettered and living in the 7th century, speak about such precise scientific truths? The Prophet Muhammad had no formal education, no scientific instruments, and lived in a society that believed in myths and superstitions. Yet the Quran he brought contains knowledge that even the greatest scientists of history could not discover until recent centuries. Can this be a coincidence? Could this knowledge come from anyone other than the one who created the heavens and the earth? The answer is clear. These verses are not the words of a man. They are the words of Allah, the creator of all that exists.